I use this set to make iced tea, and it's perfect. I really like the design of it. I have to do this one-handed, but just take this out. It goes together really easily. For 48 ounces, I add 4 heaping spoons of loose tea, which comes to approximately 8 teaspoons. You just have to make it according to your taste. And then just pour the boiling water in. I really like this design. You can fill it all the way up. And then I just stick one of these guys over it for about 12 minutes. And I've been keeping it in the refrigerator, just like this. And some people complain when you take this out and then you put this in, it does lock in. And this is fine to pour without having to hold on to it all the way up to maybe down here. Once it gets that low, the top starts coming out. So then you have to make sure that when you pour it, you hold your finger on it. Otherwise it kind of falls out. Anyway, I'm really happy with this.